Attention! If you are looking to attract high-paying clients,
How will you do that? How? My free training will show you how I attracted 24,665 leads in 48 different markets. Register now if you want to sell high-priced coaching, training, services, agency services, real estate, or any luxury products. This training will help you immensely. You can do this using paid ads with a simple 5-step system named Com5 method. This isn't theory, it is backed up by undeniable proof. You don't need a complicated sales funnel, endless social media posting, or having a big following. I will also teach you how to generate more sales while actually doing less. You can avoid the 8 biggest mistakes that the struggling coaches trainers make and start generating 6 or 7 figure income. Plus, you get my Com5 method blueprint that you can refer to while building your leads and client acquisition machine. Click on the register button below to watch your free training right now. See you inside.